Hi guys, in this video I want to show you how to duplicate yourself on your screen. So basically clone yourself. I'm sure you've seen a lot of people do that and you've wondered how did they achieve it. I'll be showing you how using the VN app. Alright, the first thing you need to do when you are cloning yourself is this, and I'm going to be taking from my own experience doing this. I'll be telling you the mistakes I did and how you can make it better for yourself, okay? So I'll be showing you my own raw footage and what I made out of it and the things I did wrong and what I should have done correctly so you don't repeat my mistakes, okay? So let's take ourselves first off to the videos that you will be creating, because that is the first step. You first have to shoot the videos and then you can take it over to VN to edit it. So in doing a cloned video or duplicating yourself in a video, you have to consider doing two video clips. One clip is the first character, which is you acting anyways, and the second is the second character. The first thing you want to consider is placing your camera on a tripod in a position that you cannot move it. You won't move it from where it is. It has to stay where it is, okay? So as much as possible, place your camera in front of where both of you will be sitting, which is in this case is you alone, but you duplicated. But place your camera where both of you will be sitting, and then of course put it in view so that it shows both parties where each person will sit. Let it be far away from you so that it can capture you both in the frame, in the camera frame, all right? But make sure it doesn't move. As you place your camera on the tripod, make sure it doesn't move. Even if you are turning, you're trying to switch from picture to picture, try not to shake the camera. It is very important to maintain that balance, that stability, okay? So let me show you what I did here. I shot the first character, which was this, okay? If we planned it, because we just wore the same. So this is practically me talking to myself, well, talking to the next character, and just, it can sometimes may just sound like you're not okay doing stuff like this. Anyways, but so what do you guys think? Should we keep wearing uniform? It could be funny, right? Anyways, okay, and then I'll show you the next character. So after shooting this first character, what I did was to carefully put off, of course, save the video clip, save it without moving the camera. So don't try to shake the camera at all. Just carefully place your finger and click save. Start the camera again. Go sit on the other end. This time around, you may choose to wear something else or change your hair or look totally different. Then act the second part. Hi. Are these your students? Hi everyone. Mind that. Now it kind of seems funny, but when you mix it together, it's going to make sense. But I honestly don't know what I was doing here. What happened here was that I shot it at night. Okay, that's why you can feel a bit of noise. There's some noise in the video. And then there's something I will show you when we start mixing the two clips together. I'll show you the mistake I did. I'll show you why you shouldn't repeat it, and you know what that messed up in my own video, of course, totally. But I'm going to show you everything and explain to you the science behind this so that when you're doing yours, you do yours better and, you know, cleaner. All right, so I've shot my two clips. I have this one and this one. So character A is this. Character B is this. Notice character A is on the left. Character B is on the right. Also notice that there's a gap between character A and B. This space over here. I was asking her. All right. Don't shake anything. If you have throw pillows on the seat, don't shake anything. If anything is placed on the seat, don't touch anything. The whole idea is to maintain the same thing where they are, because both characters are going to be in the same shot eventually. So don't shake anything. Make sure there's a demarcation between both of you so that, in fact, I'll show you why that is important as we move on. Okay, so let's go straight into our VN app. And then what we're going to do is we're going to launch a new project, okay? So +sign here, new project. And then we have to take the first character A. She's here.
Hi guys, so I was asking her if we planned it because...
All right. The next thing you want to do to bring in character B is to click on this PIP, picture in picture, all right? So I'm going to choose character B. That's her. Do you see? Now we have both characters in place. Yeah, and both of them are running to the end of the video. Let's take this extra part of the video off, deleted. So we have character A and B. Of course, the picture in picture is on top of the real picture. It's on top of character A. So what we're going to do is this. We're going to click on the picture in picture. All right, so select it. Good, selected. And then we'll scroll to the end of this and select mask. So now we're in mask. What we'll choose is linear. So there are 4 options here. You choose linear. We're going to divide them now. So now you can see the division, but this is not what we're looking to achieve. Click on linear again. You notice there are 2 dots there. Click it again and then let it highlight the next dot. Now both dots are highlighted. What we want to do now is go up here to the main frame, the camera frame where both A and B are. There's a line in the middle dividing them. We want to turn that line to 90 degrees. Okay. 90. Okay. So now we have both characters, right? Touch this again. Now, so the whole idea is to touch it to assure that both people are in picture. And then, good. I want to move this to the end. It has to be in the middle of both of them. If they join hands, it won't be realistic anymore. So as you can see, I'm joining, A and B are joining hands, and it's not going to look realistic, especially if, you know, you play this and both hands are, you know, see? Have you seen B cut into the shot? We don't want that happening. So another way you can manipulate this is by, let's do this. We're going to move B away a bit and then try to move A away a bit so that we give both of them space so that we can create a demarcation between them. Make sure at the end of the day, everything aligns at the background, okay? So now we can bring B back. Okay, let's make sure this is in line. B is back. She's back. Now let's try playing this and see.
Hi guys, so I was asking her if...
See B cut into the shot again. So we're going to do something again. We're going to go back and look for our mask line. The line that, you know, did the division. We'll get it and try to move that away from B so we see her complete hand when she's moving, okay? Let's test that again to tick.
Because we just wore the same pajamas to sleep last night.
Okay, I'll start that again so that we'll be sure that both of them didn't cross
guys,
that line.
I was asking her if we planned it because we just wore the same pajamas to sleep last night. Hi! Anyways, so what do you guys think? This is your student. We keep wearing uniform. Hi everyone. Mind that.
Okay, but now at least you see what I was trying to achieve here. One error I'm sure you've noticed by now, having watched this, is the 2 shades of colors you can see on your screen. You know very well that there's exposure here with A and B is a bit darker. Now that happened because of one reason, and I want you to avoid it by all means. What happened here is that when I shot this, when I shot A, I had some light, my parlor light on the left shining on me, okay? Shining on me to the left. And then when I went to shoot B the other way, the light that's supposed to shine on me on the other side of the room, the bulb had died, so it was a bit dark on that side of the room. So that's exactly what caused this demarcation, this line. And you don't want that happening. So please, if you want to shoot something like this, Make sure the light is stable for both parties, for A and B, or else you have a line like this and it won't look realistic. Imagine if I had stability with light, or I used some external light and maybe a ring light on the left and the right so that there's a balance of light. This would not happen, this line in the middle, but this has obstructed the whole video and it doesn't look too realistic, which is why you have to avoid it. If I don't show you this, you probably would not know that this is something you should avoid. However, let me show you how to fix it if this actually happens to you, right? I'm just going to show you how to fix it right now using the same app. So let's select the video, which is the PIP, move over to mask, all right? And now what we're going to do is to blend it in. It's going to show, but it's not going to be so obvious, all right? The demarcation, the difference between the lights will still show, but it won't be as obvious as this. I'm sure with this one you can see the straight line, but now we're going to take off that line. So what we're going to do is, you see these two arrows facing left and right. We're going to take the arrows away from each other to blend in. So what this arrow does basically is to blend things, but we don't want to over blend because it goes into B's hair. And then it goes into, A's side of the room and even the water bottle behind. So let's do it just a bit to blend it, at least away from their skin. Oops, sorry. Let's do that again. Now I think this looks good and I'm going to tick. So let's play this now and see how it works.
We planned it because we just wore the same pajamas.
Now it seems more natural, unless at points where you see the light flashes. So that is the problem with this lighting issue. It's kind of blended, right? Good. That's what you want to achieve. Although as we move, you'll see the demarcation happen at different points. So you want to avoid it. At the end of the day, you still need the light to be consistent, because with it being consistent, we won't have this. So try to avoid the mistake with the lighting so that you don't have to go through too much of editing or too much of trying to, filter this side of the shot, just so that everything blends naturally. So let's play it now and see.
Hi guys, so I was asking her if we planned it because we just wore the same pajamas to sleep last night.
See, it keeps showing. See, it keeps showing.
So what do you guys think? This is your student. Keep wearing uniform. Hi everyone. Mind that.
All right, so you all go try it and feel free to post. Let's see what you did and applaud you, right? Have fun.